One of the most common questions I get is, why is it that investment companies mess up investment management so often? Some of the things I talk about. Well, it gets down to how sales and marketing drive investment mixes. Let's say that you manage a mutual fund and, you said, what's my job? Well, my job in your eyes might be to make the best returns for your clients. And I would say, that'd be great. I'd love you as my investment manager if you thought that way, but your job is really to attract money and keep it under management. So what's the best way to do that? Well, typically it's to match market returns or an area of the market that Americans focus on. What do Americans focus on? Well, they typically focus on the Dow, right? Big U.S. companies or the S&P 500 or something like that. Now, if you have this fund that you manage and let's say that the market that we're talking about here is the Dow, right? Let's say that the fund goes up and the market's going up and the fund goes up. Is your job safe? Well, the answer is yeah, my job's safe. I'm good. People are going to keep their money with me. If the market goes down and your fund goes down, is your job safe? Again, yes, because people are standing around the water cooler going, well, market down, it's going to come back up, it goes back and forth. They just say, just stay tight. And yes, your job is safe. But let's say that the market, the Dow, goes way up and everybody's talking about how great the market's doing and your fund's up a little bit. Now, why would that happen? Well, that would happen because when I'm really well diversified, if the Dow happens to be the best performing area of the market, my diversified portfolio is going to be in the middle. And what would happen is the person that's focusing only on this would go, man, you guys are really bad. The market's way up and your fund's only up a little bit. You are fired because you don't know what you're doing, right? So there's the rub right there. Nobody wants that as an investment manager. If the market's down, let's say, and your fund is up, you're a genius and we love you. Well, the problem is that they know that that's not sustainable. So it is really easy to keep your job and attract money if you look like the market. But the problem is, long run, you end up with lower returns and more risk if you're only focused on small areas of the stock market.